On Friday, the Texas Supreme Court ruled to keep the state's stringent abortion bans in place while permitting a lawsuit challenging these bans to move forward. Filed by a group of over 20 women, the lawsuit argues that these abortion restrictions have endangered their lives by denying them proper medical care in severe pregnancy complications. Originally beginning with 5 plaintiffs, the case now includes more than 20 women whose lives were severely affected by the abortion bans. The lawsuit highlights the extreme measures faced by women like Amanda Zarowski, who was forced to wait until she developed sepsis before receiving an abortion, even though it was clear that her pregnancy was not viable. After days in intensive care and resulting from a severe infection, Zarowski now faces permanent damage to her health, impacting her ability to have more children in the future. Other plaintiffs, such as Caitlin Cash, also had to leave Texas to receive an abortion, despite her fetus having severe skeletal dysplasia that posed extreme suffering if carried to term. The Texas Supreme Court emphasized that the current laws do permit life-saving abortions in conditions posing severe risks to the mother's health. However, the plaintiffs and medical professionals argue that the law's vague language leads doctors to hesitate, fearing legal repercussions. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton defended the laws, asserting his commitment to protect mothers and babies, reflecting the values held by many Texans. This ruling comes amidst the broader context of the U.S. Supreme Court's overturning of Roe v. Wade in 2022, which eliminated the constitutional right to abortion and led to a surge of restrictive abortion laws in conservative states. The Texas bans are among the strictest, with harsh penalties including life imprisonment and hefty fines for doctors performing abortions outside narrow exceptions. The plaintiffs' testimonies reveal the real-life implications of these legal battles. For instance, Kate Cox from Dallas had to seek an abortion out of state after her fetus developed a fatal condition, despite facing multiple emergencies and severe health risks. The court acknowledged that Cox, among others, had legitimate life-threatening conditions for which the state law should have permitted an abortion. While the lawsuit continues, the court's ruling underscores a critical debate surrounding abortion laws and their impact on women's health. As Texas' Republican-led legislature shows no signs of amending the legislation, and medical professionals remain wary of the risk of severe penalties, these stories of personal suffering highlight the complex and often devastating realities faced under such restrictive laws.